Hi guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to show you a simple hair care routine. And if you're new to the Be Beautiful channel, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. If you're using a hair straightener, then reduce the temperature to a lower level and then use the products. While combing through wet strands, make sure to use a white tooth comb as it's far more gentle than a regular comb. After washing, conditioning and drying the hair, make sure to follow it up with a hair serum. Why hair serum? Essentially, hair becomes frizzy and dull due to the humid weather. And nothing helps fight that frizz like a good hair serum. Simply take a dime-sized amount and run it through towel-dried hair. The rich and luxurious formula of this serum helps prevent frizz and gives that high shine glossy finish. Also, the best part about this serum is it's so small and travel friendly that I carry it with me on the go and use it when my hair tends to get unmanageable. On days when you need that extra 5 minutes of sleep and you're unable to wash your hair, let dry shampoo work its magic. Dry shampoo soaks up excess oil from the scalp and eliminates greasiness. My go-to dry shampoo is this one as it refreshes and lifts greasy hair while giving you a natural finish. Just hold the dry shampoo 4 to 6 inches away from the hair and spray directly at the roots. Then using your fingertips, massage the product into the roots and scalp so that the oil-absorbing action can take place evenly. I love how it looks, like it's just freshly washed. It's definitely a hair savior. Also, while applying conditioner, make sure to cover the hair properly from mid-length to the tips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to take care of your tresses by following the simple hair care routine. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.